So first you fold like this. Then you take this edge and then you push it like this until the fold where you make like this. Increase it inside and then squash fold it like this. Repeat it on the other side. Here. And now from here we are going to make a bird base. First you fold it to the corner as where the fold is indicated. Same for the other flap over here. Then you fold the tip of the square like this and down to the center. Unfold all of these 3 creases you made. Now take the corner like this and fold it up, pull it up until the crease where you made at the top of the square and fold it inside. Now you grab these corners and then you fold them like how I'm demonstrating. Do for both of the sides of the square. And now we have created a bird base. From here we can start making the basic shape of the dragon. So first you open it up like this, then you take this and then crease it to this fold. And then fold this like this. Then you take this and pull it out and put it slant as much as you want. And then crease this to you can make sure. And then repeat it for this side. It's almost done. And now you bend this like this and fold these 2 corners like this. And you can unfold it and make it like this. And now you can pull these down for the wings. And this is the basic shape of the dragon. Now if you're gonna make it stand and if you want to make it have dragon wings, then here. So first to make the dragon wings, you fold it and you can repeat it on the other side. Crease it until there is not much more to crease left. There we have a dragon wings. And now to make it stand, so you have this tail, right? You'll have to make it narrower in order to make the legs. So you have to crease them like how I'm showing over here. And if you don't understand, you should open it in half like this and then fold it to the center. And here we have the tail. Now, in order to make the hind legs, what you do is that you fold it like this, and then you again fold it. Repeat the other side. And there you go. You have the hind legs. Now, if you want to make it really look like a dragon, you can cut this portion as I'm showing in half. And there you have it. Your dragon is ready. See? It can stand perfectly